We've got something planned for this weekend, which is why I'm prepping the Honda. I'm going to pack it up. We're going to take it for a ride down to Cape May and clean it up, make it look nice and pretty, and go on a little photo shoot. So this photo shoot's special, and there's a couple reasons why. It's the end of an era, and it's out with the old, in with the new. You know, I can't reveal too much right now, but you'll know soon enough. Alright, you're set. So, I'm really excited for this change. Change is good. I think it's a necessary part of things, but, you know, it's time to move on to bigger and better things. Hey! And this is just one of those things that has to change. So, get out of the way. Come on, get back. Get back. Get back. Bud. I've never been there before, but I want to. That RX-7 that I just showed you, I've seen that car there for years. Like, it's got to be that audio shop's owner who has that car, because every time I come down to Cape May, I see that. So gorgeous. One of my favorites. Alright, so we just arrived. We gotta let the dog out. Now it's time to start detailing. So, first things first, I'm gonna take all the car floor mats out the car, put them aside, and vacuum inside, as you can see here. So I finished vacuuming. It looks a lot better than it was. So we're gonna start detailing here and making everything look nice and clean. Then I'll go back over all the cloth, because you can still see a little bit of hair, and we'll take some tape and get the rest of that off for the pictures. So you don't need to hear any audio for this. So I'm gonna start the time lapse and play some music. Alright, so finished vacuuming out the inside of the car, wiping it down and everything. So I will show you that later with some cinematic shots when we go to a location. But for now, we need to replace that trunk. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll grab the tools I need to remove things, and we will be well on our way. If you haven't guessed already, I'm selling the Honda and moving on to another car. It's treating me well. It's a lot of fun for your first car, but I think it's time I move on. I mean, it is what it is.